Welcome, fitness enthusiasts and health seekers, to BodyFit Bliss, the ultimate destination for your fitness journey. Today, we're introducing a life-changing opportunity, the 30-Day Fitness Challenge. This isn't just about losing a few pounds or building some muscles. It's about transforming your lifestyle, boosting your energy, and enhancing your overall health. Think about it, in merely 30 days, you could be waking up with more vitality, feeling stronger, and enjoying a healthier, happier version of you. And the best part? It's a challenge that's achievable and designed for everyone, regardless of your current fitness level. The 30-Day Fitness Challenge isn't a magic pill. It's a commitment to yourself. It's about setting a goal and working towards it every single day. It's about pushing your limits, breaking old habits, and creating new, healthier ones. So are you ready to embark on this invigorating journey? Then gear up for the 30-Day Fitness Challenge. The 30-Day Fitness Challenge is a comprehensive program designed to revitalize your health and fitness. This challenge is a balanced blend of daily exercise routines and diet recommendations, all aimed at transforming your lifestyle and fostering a love for fitness. Let's dive into the exercise routines. These are designed to target all major muscle groups, ensuring a full body workout. We kick off with cardiovascular exercises in the first week. This might include running, brisk walking, or even dancing. The goal is to get your heart pumping and your body moving. Week 2 introduces strength training. Here, we focus on exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. The third week is all about flexibility and balance. Think yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi. Finally, in the fourth week, we combine all these elements for a comprehensive workout regimen. Now let's talk diet. We believe in fueling the body with the right kind of nutrients. We're not promoting any fad diets here. Instead, we encourage a balanced diet, rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but nourishing your body to support your fitness journey. And what can you expect from the challenge? Well, that's the exciting part. By the end of the 30 days, you'll likely notice increased energy levels, enhanced mood, and improved physical strength. Your body will become more toned, and you may even shed a few pounds. But remember, the scale isn't the only measure of success here. It's also about how you feel, both physically and mentally. Of course, it's important to remember that consistency is key. This challenge requires dedication and commitment. It might be tough at times, but keep pushing. Remember why you started and visualize where you want to be. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And every step you take is a step closer to your goal. With determination and consistency, you'll witness a remarkable transformation at the end of these 30 days. Transformations are always inspiring, aren't they? Let's hear some success stories from our fitness warriors. First, we have Jake. Before joining our 30-Day Fitness Challenge, Jake was struggling with low energy and a lack of motivation. But he decided to take control and plunge into this journey. There were days when the challenge seemed daunting, but Jake pushed through, and the results were remarkable. Jake now enjoys a surge of energy, and his enthusiasm is infectious. Next is Emma, a mother of 2, who was juggling work, home, and her kids. She felt she had no time for fitness. But Emma took the plunge. She embraced the challenge, and her journey has been nothing short of inspirational. Emma now feels stronger, healthier, and more confident than ever before. Then there's Carlos, who had been battling weight issues for years. The 30-Day Fitness Challenge was a game-changer for him. His journey was filled with ups and downs, but Carlos persisted. Today he has not only shed those extra pounds, but also gained a newfound love for fitness and health. And let's not forget about Maya. A self-proclaimed couch potato, Maya never thought she could stick to a fitness routine. But the challenge proved her wrong. Today, Maya radiates positivity and wellness, and her transformation is a testament to her grit and determination. These stories of transformation and triumph prove that anyone can conquer this challenge. Now, you must be wondering, what does a typical day in the 30-Day Fitness Challenge look like? Well, it all starts when the sun peaks over the horizon. You'll rise and shine, ready to kickstart the day with a burst of energy from a quick morning workout. This could be a brisk jog around your local park or a high-intensity interval training session right in your living room. After you've worked up a sweat, it's time to refuel. Breakfast is essential on this journey, and you'll need something nutritious to keep you going. a green smoothie, a bowl of oatmeal with fruits, or scrambled eggs with whole grain toast. The choice is yours, as long as it's balanced and healthy. As the day progresses, remember to keep your body moving and your mind active. You can do this by taking short breaks for stretching or a quick walk. Lunch and dinner should be packed with lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. And don't forget to hydrate. Drinking water throughout the day is key to maintaining your energy levels and aiding digestion. In the evening, unwind with a gentle yoga session or a calming meditation practice. This will help you relax and prepare for a good night's sleep, which is equally important for recovery and muscle growth. And throughout this journey, keep yourself motivated. Write down your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. We understand that embarking on this journey alone can be daunting, but worry not, we've got you covered. To help you stay on track throughout this 30-day fitness challenge, we've curated a range of resources. There are numerous fitness apps that you can download. These apps will not only guide you through each exercise routine, but also help you monitor your progress. Moreover, we have vibrant community groups where you can share your experiences, challenges, and victories. Engage with others who are on the same journey. Exchange tips and together foster a supportive environment. Additionally, our channel offers a plethora of content. From detailed exercise tutorials to nutritious meal plans and motivational tips, we've got it all. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small, consistent changes that will lead to big results. With these resources at your fingertips, you'll never feel alone in this journey. We've come to the end of this enlightening journey, but this is just the beginning for you. We've outlined a 30-day fitness challenge that's not just about lifting weights or running miles, but about transforming your life. It's about embracing healthier habits, boosting your energy, and improving your overall well-being. Remember the inspiring success stories we shared. They were once where you are right now, at the start of a transformative journey. They took the leap, committed to the challenge, and reaped the benefits. You can do it too. The daily routines, diet recommendations, and motivational tips we've shared are your tools for success. Utilize the support and resources available to stay on track, and remember, every step, every rep, every healthy meal is a victory. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Join the 30-day fitness challenge today. And don't forget to subscribe to BodyFit Bliss for more fitness inspiration and guidance.